originally recorded as 43, Annie Taylor was in reality 63 years old when she went over the falls in a wooden barrel and lived. In 1960, an almost unbelievable event occurred. A 7-year-old boy named Roger Woodward was swept over the falls wearing only a bathing suit and a simple life jacket. It was a miracle that he survived. Roger was rescued almost on this very same spot by a mate of the big boat. To the extreme left of the Horseshoe Falls is Terrapin Point, through which passes the international borderline between the United States and Canada. Beneath us, the water plunges to a depth of 180 feet, or 55 meters. The water that flows over the falls comes from 4 of the 5 Great Lakes. From here, the water goes down the Niagara River to Lake Ontario, then the St. Lawrence River, and finally the Atlantic Ocean. Just to the right of the falls is the journey behind the falls. That's a hundred canadienne pour les chutes Saint-Antoine. Ces chutes sont 52 mètres, 170 pieds en hauteur, avec une longueur de 760 mètres ou de 2500 pieds. C'est ici que les cascadeurs sont les plus connus de l'éducation. La première, en 1901, c'est avec Christopher Annie Taylor. On la rend âgée de 43 ans quand elle conduit de se renfermer dans un sac de bois devant une